Solve A equals P plus PRT for P. Just like the last problem, in this problem, the variable that we're trying to solve for appears more than once. There are two P's in this problem, and so we're going to have to use that factoring trick that we learned before. But the difficulty here is that P is not being multiplied by anything in this first term. So to make it easier to see what's going on, we need to rewrite this as 1P, or 1 times P. And that will help us with our factoring. Now, on the right-hand side, there is a P in each of these terms, so we need to factor out the P. We put the P out front, and then in the parentheses, we have to put the leftovers. In the first term, if we pull out the P, that leaves us with a leftover of 1. So we're going to have 1 there. And then plus in the second term, if we pull out the P, we're left with RT. So the leftovers are going to be RT. Again, if you want to check to make sure that you have factored correctly, you can go through and distribute P times 1 plus RT. When we distribute, P times 1 is P, and P times RT is PRT. And we do have what we started off with, so we know we've done the factoring correctly. And now the last step is to isolate the P. And since P is being multiplied by 1 plus RT, to get rid of that, we have to divide by 1 plus RT. And then that gives us A over 1 plus RT on the left. And on the right, we're just left with P. And so our final answer here is that P is equal to A all over 1 plus RT.